These solutions can be made safe for pets and children when used correctly and allowed to cure fully. Sikaflex is a polyurethane sealant that bonds strongly and remains flexible, which helps prevent weeds from re-emerging in sidewalk and driveway cracks. Apply it by cleaning out debris with a wire brush, ensuring the crack is dry, and using a caulking gun to fill from the deepest point outward, then tool the surface smooth with a soapy, water-dampened spatula to achieve a flush finish. Polymeric sand is a blend of sand and a fine polymer binder that hardens after misting with water. So sweep the joint material in tightly, compact it with a rubber mallet or dense pad, remove excess sand thoroughly from the surface before activation, and then mist evenly to avoid washout and ensure even curing. For families prioritizing low toxicity, choose products labeled non-toxic or low volatile organic compounds and review the product data sheet for curing time and safety recommendations. Keep pets and children off the treated area for the full cured period shown on the label, which is usually at least 24 hours to several days depending on temperature and humidity. During application, always wear gloves and eye protection and ventilate the area if working near open doors or windows, and store unused material sealed and out of reach to prevent accidental contact. If working in hot weather, hydrate the substrate lightly before applying polymeric sand to prevent premature setting, and if rain is expected, delay application until you have at least 24 hours of dry weather forecasted. When in doubt, test a small, inconspicuous area first and follow the manufacturer technical data sheet for surface preparation, application temperatures, and recommended curing windows. Common mistakes include applying polymeric sand in humid or rainy conditions, which washes out the binder and prevents proper curing, so delay installation until a stable dry period or choose a different timing. Another frequent issue is failing to remove dust and plant roots before sealing with Sikaflex, which reduces adhesion. So extract organic material thoroughly and use a handheld vacuum or compressed air and a wire brush before application. A third problem is allowing pets and children onto the area before full cure, which risks exposure to uncured chemicals and spoiling the job. So cordon off the treated area with temporary barriers and post clear signs until the manufacturer specified cure time has passed. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place where we discuss product choices, installation tips, and safety concerns related to sealants and joint materials. We also help contractors find work and share expertise through our discussion community, where we and other members trade advice and practical experience.